Tragedy in Andhra Pradesh. Three girls died while taking selfies at Waterfall. A tragic incident occurred on April 9, 2026 when three teenage girls drowned at Mullungummi Waterfall in Andhra Pradesh while taking photos and recording videos near the water, turning a day out into a heartbreaking loss for their village. Victims were identified as S. Trisha 17, S. Ratnakumari 16 and S. Pavitra 15, students from Jambavalasa village in Hukumpeta, mandal. The incident has left the local community in deep shock and grief, highlighting how fragile life is and the need for caution at natural spots.